In this video, we will talk about All Home, DMCI, Semirara. All Home has had its bumps in the road. DMCI and Semirara had massive sell downs today. If you own the stock, what should you do? If you have cash, should you catch them right now? That and more in our latest edition of our Stocks by Request. So if you want to learn more about stocks, check this video out. Hi everyone, this is Marvin Germo. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, smash that bell so you get updated every time I come up with new content about the stock market. I'm doing more than one video every day with just one heart to just teach you so you get to win. You get to use the stock market to reach your goals of financial freedom, because investing is not as hard as what most people think it is. Investing is something that will allow you to live your life with your own terms, to live your life not bound by the 8 to 5. Investing is one of the greatest tools known to man, and I hope this channel pushes you to learn more about investing, because it can be done. You can be financially free, and it's not dependent on what you've done. It's not dependent on what your college course is. It's dependent on how willing you are to hustle today. So enjoy the rest of the video. Hi guys, so we're up again for another Stocks by Request session. I'm starting this off with All Home because suddenly after it dropped a bit, it now had a new chance to start going up. I'm gonna talk more about that. So comment home if you have All Home stocks. Plus, the two stocks that dropped massively today, DMC and SCC. What is the chart telling us as well? Please remember this, above and beyond the news, everything that we need to know is found in the charts. Everything you need to know is found in what the charts are telling us. And stay till the end so that you get to see other stocks I will discuss based on technical analysis above and beyond what I'm talking about right now. So please remember this, everything that I'm talking about is based on the charts, it's based on price action, it's based on movement, predicated on market action and volume as well. It allows me to trade with confidence even if I don't follow the news, even if I don't follow speculation as well. Hey guys, so here we go again. In this video, I'm gonna break down Home, DMC, SCC, and a couple of other stocks that you guys have requested over social media. Again, these are not stock picks, these are stock analysis using technical analysis. It's called an analysis because we're analyzing it together. By me doing this, I hope that you guys are also learning, that you guys are also analyzing the charts all together, because at the end of the day, the strength of technical analysis is there when you guys need to know and have a firm conviction of what's happening in a particular stock. So let's begin. First of all, I've mentioned the PSEI now, and I just want to backtrack and talk about it first before we go on to the other stocks. But for the PSEI, as you look at it, it's already at the third day, or even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth day that it's trying to hang on for dear life at this resistance level. As you see also, the 200-day moving average is trying to block it. The 100-day moving average is also trying to block it. That being said, if it fails to go up, I think the possible retracement, possible levels of where it could go down, first possible level where it could drop is at the 7.7 level, right over here. By looking at it, also RSI is not yet even in oversold levels, and the downward push is brought about by the change in direction that caused the breakdown here. So that being said, possible narrative still for the index is if it fails to break out of the 7.9 level, you could possibly see it retrace to 7.7. If it breaks out of the 7.9 level, possible narrative is it tries to go back and attack the 8.1 level, where we have a very strong resistance for the PSEI as well. So while I'm transitioning to the next slide, comment PSEI if you think it will go up, comment avoid for now if you think it will go down, or if you have any questions springing from this, please send them below and comment them, and I'll make a new video based on it as well. Please, I'm not sure if you notice it, that I've been making videos based on the questions that you've been sending, because at the end of the day, it's you guys who are the ultimate narrative for all of this. The videos are for you, and I hope that you guys get so much value from all of this. Now let's go to All Home. All Home, as you all know, it started with the IPO. People had so much high hopes for this stock last month, but similar to Axelum, it did not go up as what people wanted it to be, or where they wanted it to go. What we did see though for all home was from October 10 all the way to around the end of October. The stock really didn't go anywhere. It was just hovering from around 11.4 to around 11.5, 11.6. Then after that, it started to drop the first week of November, and it formed the support at the 11.3 level. That being said, how do we know it formed the support at the 11.3 level? Because 1, 2, 3, 4 days of not falling. Almost, if you add this wicks, also 6 days of not falling. You see buying at the 11.3 level for the short term. That being said, also, as it being a support, as you all know, when stocks hit the support, buying pressure emerges. As buying pressure have emerged, we now have 5 solid days straight of a reversal of solid green buying. As you've noticed also, for those who attended our Stock Smart sessions, you know what this combination means, especially if it's at the support level. You have an indecision and then a bullish candle. Also included with that is a cross up from the RSI level. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 signals already telling you to buy at that level. Number 1 was the indecision, followed by a bullish conviction. Then the candlestick was a large green candlestick. Then you had the RSI being oversold, a cross up from the oversold levels. Then you have a bounce from the 11.3 support level. That being said, you now have the stock on a 5-day streak headed up. The stock though intraday tried to go up, tried to hit 11.8, but selling pushed it lower. But that being said though, it closed above the IPO level, which from a bullish note is very, very good. From a bullish level, from a bullish standpoint, denotes that there's more buying conviction now. Now that being said, if I just use this support and resistance as a way for me to peg a target price, the next possible target price for this could be at the 11.9 level, or you could also note this wick as an area for you to peg a resistance. So if it fails to go above that or fails to break out from that, you could note that there could be some selling happening as well. So should that form itself as a resistance, possible level breaks this. If it breaks that, it could retrace and go back here. We could see that 11.6 level is a solid support if that validates itself and we see it hold at that particular level. But as of now, allow me to update you over the next few days how this will possibly progress. Now, let's look at Semirara. Please remember I posted a video on this at lunchtime. This large black candle is predicated by the news that the mine will shut down based on violations that happened, based on the mud flow also that happened as well. From a tech standpoint, there's a couple of things that we do know. Number 1 is it failed to break the 23.9 resistance. Number 2 is it failed to hold the 23 peso support level. Number 4, it broke down the 200-day moving average. Number 5, you have a large red candle with massively large amounts of volume. Number 6, you have the MACD also showing you that there's a change in direction downward. So all of this are denoting that there's a possible sell-off for the stock, that the stock is possibly continues to be bearish. It's now trying to hold the 21.7 support level, good enough for it. When it hit the 20.34, there was a large buying that happened that caused it to go to the 21.7 level. Now what you need to watch out for is this. If the 21.7 level does not hold, the stock could possibly drop further to 21.23. Then it could possibly hit somewhere around the 18.8 peso level for the short term. The stock though, as of this point in time, is already oversold. But if you notice it, Semirara has been pretty much sideways already for quite some time. It going to the 18.8 level will somehow bring it to its lowest again. The last time it hit that level was March this year. So let's see how it will go. Let's see how it will progress. Otherwise, if it breaks 21.2 and goes to 18.8, it just solidifies that the stock pretty much is in a sideways market. If it goes below 18.8, then there might be a different story. There might be a different narrative also for the stock as well. Now, DMC. I posted so many videos about this already, noting that the stock is still pretty much in a downtrend. If you notice it here, the stock is still in a downward path, especially when it broke down from the 8.1 level. But then you have this large red candle. So the bearishness today used no change. RSI is showing it's oversold. MACD no change. It's still showing that there's still a bearish movement downward. But the red candle is showing that it's accelerating, that you have a larger sense of people selling. And if I'll try to add a 20-day moving average, you now see it start to also slope down. So short, medium, mid, and long-term moving averages are showing you that the stock is bearish. But either way, look at the MACD. Ever since it went below zero, starting May this year, it has never looked back. This is also showing you confirmation from here when the stock did its own junction, when all of the moving averages went together. For those who attended Stock Smarts, you know what the kumpul move is when moving averages move in that direction. Now I'll try to zoom out to show you a possible support level. Possible support level for the stock would be around here. But the thing there is this. I think it's trying to break it also. So if this level, the 7 peso level, does not hold, possible retracement for this will be around here. So it's a very, very steep movement down for the stock as well. So that being said, watch the 7 peso level tomorrow. If it does not hold, you can expect the stock to continue to position and go lower for the short term. Now let's look at URC. I got a lot of messages on this because of the passing of Gokong Wei, but essentially, the stock is bearish still, regardless of him passing or not, with a resistance at 159 and a support at 144. So this is where it's hovering, short, mid, and long term. So possible move for URC is this level, 144 to 159 range for the stock. Then let's look at JG Summit. For JG Summit naman, let's try to figure it out. JG Summit is still positioned in its uptrend. Very, very good and steady uptrend for the stock. If you are a position trader, no sell signal as of this point in time. If you're a quick trader, here's the range. You have a 75.4 support. You have a 79 peso resistance level that you must respect if you are a quick trader. The resistance is at the 79 level. So as of this point in time, please comment below if you have any questions with the PSEI, with All Home, with JG Summit, URC, DMC, and Semirara. Then I'll try to make more videos about it as well. Comment if you're learning. Comment Stock Smart if this is something that adds value to you. As at the end of the day, my goal is to create as much value to all of you guys as possible. Did you guys enjoy the video? Comment below if you guys are learning so far. Comment Stock Smarts if you guys are learning from all of this as well. More of this we will talk about this Saturday in Stock Smarts Manila with one goal and one heart. I just want to teach people to trade and earn on their own. Because the stock market, I really believe, is one of the greatest ways for you to make money over a stretched period of time. So I guess that's it for now. It's just nice to be back in Manila again. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.